In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to freeze your location on Snapchat. If you're looking for privacy or simply want to control who can see your whereabouts, Snapchat's Ghost Mode feature allows you to hide your location from others. So follow these steps. 1. Launch the Snapchat and tap on the map icon in the bottom left corner. 2. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. 3. Tap on Ghost Mode and choose a duration, like 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turn it off. 4. Exit Snapchat, go to Device Settings and find Snapchat, and disable Location Permission. Return to Snapchat and ensure that Ghost Mode is on, and check that your location is hidden. And you've successfully frozen your location on Snapchat. Enjoy enhanced privacy and control over your whereabouts. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.